The microscope. A microscope is a device to see nearer very small objects clearly. A simple microscope consists of a convex lens of small focal length. The principle of simple microscope is that if an object is placed between the lens and its first principal focus, the image formed by the lens is erect and magnified. Magnifying power of a microscope. M is equal to D into 1 by F plus 1 by V. When final image is at a distance of distinct vision, that is V is equal to D, then M is equal to 1 plus D by F. When the final image is formed at infinity, then V is equal to infinity. M is equal to D into 1 by F plus 1 by infinity D by F.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.